Hey there, fellow moneymakers. Today, I'm going to spill the beans on how you can earn some serious cash. Get ready to level up your financial game. Money bag. Step 1. Find your passion. First things first, find something you're truly passionate about. Whether it's baking, gaming, fashion, or even dog training, choose something you love doing. Remember, when you enjoy what you do, success will follow. Step 2. Build your brand. Now that you've found your passion, it's time to build your brand. Create a catchy name and logo that represents your unique style. Be consistent across all platforms, from TikTok to Instagram and YouTube. This will help people recognize and remember you. Step 3. Content is king. To attract followers and keep them hooked, create high-quality content. Be authentic and engage with your audience regularly. Share tips, tutorials, or even funny moments related to your niche. Remember to keep it real and relatable. Step 4. Collaborate and connect. Collaborating with others in your niche is a fantastic way to expand your reach. Reach out to fellow influencers and create awesome content together. Networking is key, so engage with your followers and respond to comments and messages. Step 5. Monetize your passion. Now comes the exciting part, making money. There are various ways to monetize your content. You can partner with brands for sponsored posts or promote products you genuinely believe in. Affiliate marketing is another popular option where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Step 6. Diversify your income. Don't rely solely on one income stream. Explore other opportunities like creating digital products such as ebooks or online courses. You can also offer consulting services or even start a merchandise line featuring your brand. Step 7. Stay consistent and adapt. Consistency is key to building a successful online presence. Post regularly and stay up to date with trends. Remember, the digital world is constantly evolving, so be open to adapting your strategies and trying new things. So there you have it, folks. Follow these steps, stay dedicated, and watch your bank account grow. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with perseverance and passion, you can turn your hobby into a lucrative career. Now go out there and start hustling.